This is an end-ring equal division drawing and marking machine designed for transformer insulation components. Operators simply place the end ring on the worktable and input the required division quantity and inner and outer diameter data via the touchscreen. With high precision control, the system ensures drawing accuracy within ±0.02 mm and stable industrial performance. After positioning, the workpiece is automatically clamped and aligned to ensure consistent marking quality. Once parameters are confirmed, the machine starts automatic operation with one-button control. The system performs equal division calculation and generates precise marking paths for each segment. The Inkjet marking head adjusts height automatically between 10 to 80 millimeters for different ring sizes. High-speed marking ensures clear and consistent lines with a width of less than 1 millimeter. The machine continuously completes circular layout drawing with smooth and stable motion control. All processed end rings maintain high repeatability and accuracy for transformer assembly requirements. The machine is widely used in transformer manufacturing for insulation, end ring layout, and positioning processes. Technical performance ensures stable operation with AC 220 volts power supply and industrial-grade reliability. Typical working efficiency is around 3 minutes per piece, significantly improving production output. For more transformer manufacturing solutions, contact us to upgrade your insulation processing efficiency.